Heidi ho, YouTube neighbors. I guess there's a motorcycle group build going on for 2025 again. Hosted by Cliff and Thompson and Jamie G. I'll put a links down to their down in the description of to their channels, and they're hosting the motorcycle group build this year. Well, they've hosted it past too, but anyway, they're hosting it. All right, long story short, or short story long, however it is. So I haven't built a motorcycle. I mean, when I was a real little kid, when I first started building models back when I was 8 or 9, I built the I think it was that mini bike. So I don't think that really counts, but been kind of thinking about doing a motorcycle, and I have this one. It's unbuilt. I got it. I bought some models and from a guy, and he threw this in. It was just in a bag, a real tattered bag. So I kind of changed the bag, but it's a. Let me get the instruction sheet out here. Everything's here. It's a Tamiya Yamaha RZV500R 112 scale. Apparently it's from 1984 is the copyright. So I went through, I checked all the parts. Everything's here for it, even the decals. So I'm going to build this. I know it's not a race bike, but they said if you make it a race bike. So I'm going to make this a race bike, like it's a local guy who, you know, runs a local little circuit or local tracks. And I'll omit like the mirrors and the turn signals and tail lights, things like that, and turn it into a race bike. I've got some decals, some other decals ordered for like contingency stuff, and paint. I think I got all the one color that I want to use for my livery. But yeah, it's all here. The tires, spring, screws and everything. Yeah, I opened these bags because I needed to check all the parts. But yeah, it seems to all be here. So, never built a bike, so this will be a new experience for me. And well, that's some decals I found that I might use some of. These are the decals that came with it. Not sure if they're any good. 1984. That's what, 40 years old. So they're kind of yellowed a little bit, I think. But I'm probably not going to use the stripes and stuff, so we'll see. So I got that, and I got the clear parts, which I'll probably only use the windshield. So that's going to be my my entry into the 2025 motorcycle group build. I think I'm going to try and do a Sunoco livery, kind of like a local gas station type of thing, or a local bike shop with Sunoco or something. So that's what I'm going to do. So there it is. It's official. I'm going to start another build, even though I got others that aren't finished. But I think I can get this done. We have till, what, October? So I'm pretty sure I can get that done. And that's it. My 2025 motorcycle group build. All right. So I guess until I get a little bit more done on this, we won't see this again for maybe a couple weeks or so. All right. Thanks for dropping by. You know, all the routine stuff. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You know, comment. And if you haven't got a shop card, you want a shop card or some junk mail, even at least some junk mail, I can send you junk mail. Drop me a line at my email. It's down in the description. And I'll get a shop card to you. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll catch you later. See you.